For number 13, it tells us to find the term containing x to the 10th in the expansion of 5 plus 2x squared to the 7th. So, if we were to try to use NCR here, where n is 7 and r is 10, 7, math, scroll over to probability down to NCR and press 10. It says 0. Because if you think about it, what you're saying is, I'm going up to this and I want this term. So if I'm going up to the exponent 10 and I want the exponent, going up to the exponent of 7 and I want the exponent of 10, then that's not going to really work, because if you see, you're dealing with x squared. So think about it, if I were to have 2x squared to the second power, anytime you have something raised to a power, those are going to multiply together, and that would give you 2 squared, which is 4, x raised to the 4th. So if I'm looking to the 10th, I need to think about what number less than 7 can I multiply by 2 to get 10. So what times 2 is 10? 5. So I need to know that this is going to be 2x squared to the 5th, because then I will end up getting that x to the 10th. And then if I have 2x squared to the 5th, then I must also have 5 squared, because if this term is to the 5th, this term needs to be to the 2nd, because when I add 5 and 2 together, I get 7. Now I just need to find that leading coefficient. In order to do that, I now know my r term can be 5 or 2, rather than the original 10 that we thought it was going to be. So, 7, math, scroll over to probability, down to NCR, and 2. So the leading coefficient is 21. Now, this will be 2 to the 5th, 5 squared, and 21. I need to multiply all those together. 21 times 2 to the 5th times 5 squared. And that gives me 16,800. X to the 10th. I asked for the term, so that means I do want that x included. If I just asked for the coefficient, you could have left that x to the 10th off.